Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make rote. People usually make rote as an offering to Lord Hanuman. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of sultanas which I have soaked in water for 5 minutes and drained them well to stop them from bursting while frying, 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, 3 tablespoons of raw sugar, half a cup of full cream milk, or you can use Carnation milk if you like, and 1 cup of ghee for frying our rote. Take your plain flour, add melted ghee and mix it well. Now add your sugar and your sultanas and mix it well. First add 2 tablespoons of milk and start mixing. Now add another 2 tablespoons and continue mixing. My dough has started to come together, but it's not quite there yet. I don't need much more milk, so I'm just gonna add another tablespoon. The dough should not be sticky. Do not add all the milk at once. The amount of milk depends on how plump the sultanas have become and the type of flour used as well. You might use little bit less or more milk than I have used. Knead it into a smooth dough. Divide it into half. Roll it into a ball, flatten it slightly and repeat this with the remaining dough. Now take a plastic wrap or cling wrap, spread it evenly on your bench top. Take one dough at a time, put it on the plastic wrap and flatten it into a round disc shape. Repeat this with the other dough. Now put this aside while we get our ghee ready. Take a fry pan, put it on low heat, add your ghee and heat it. When your ghee gets hot, add rote one at a time and fry it for 5 minutes on each side or until you get a light brown color and the rote is cooked through. Turn your rote from side to side to make sure it cooks evenly. After 5 minutes, turn it over and cook it for further 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out, shake the excess ghee off and drain it on some paper towel. Repeat this with the remaining rote. My rote is ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.